Rangi Tuze Nyazune, Tawa Tamje Bambeche, Tambechune, Tunzebe, Kwadam de la Chaze Lo. Buddha has taught so many types of teachings, which is called Buddha Dharmas. So, what is the purpose of Buddha Dharma? The purpose of Buddha Dharma is to bring transformations into our mind. Buddha Dharma means to train our mind. So why we need to train our mind? Because there are many problems which originate at our mental levels, such as the negative aspects of minds like fear, doubt, frustration, unhappiness. So these kind of negative aspects of mind, they allow us to engage into the physical negative activities as well as the verbal negative activities. So in order to work out all these problems, we need to do the practice of Dharma and we need to train our mind. So Buddha Dharma means to bring the inner tranquilities into our mind, and Buddha Dharma means to discipline our mind. In order to transform our mind, we have to utilize the mind itself. Rather than that, there is nothing else that we can use to bring such a changes. So if you look at all these negative aspects of mind, fundamental ignorance is the root for all of them. So in order to eliminate this, we need to cultivate the wisdoms and correct insight into the understanding of realities. That is the opponent, or that is the antidote to our fundamental ignorance. So in order to succeed this, first thing that we need to recognize that what are the negative aspects of mind and their destructive potentials. Through that way, we can develop a wish to stay away or keep distance from these kind of negative aspects of mind. Then we also need to recognize what are the positive aspects of minds. Through that way, we will develop an aspiration to gain and enhance these good qualities of minds. So in our daily life, if we really want to do the practice of dharmas, then I think we need to make a lot of efforts and awareness. Because if you look at the constructions of buildings, we need a lot of diligence and care. So similarly, in order to bring transformations into our mind, we need a big amount of efforts and awareness. Thank you.